Jai Hind. Today I am really very happy to see this day because we conceived this idea I think a long time back and we had been functional. We are doing one other thing, adding few things and we are already on the track. But formally we could not get the inauguration done because of this lockdown and all. But today I am happy that with us our Vice Chairman, MD, he is with us, and so is our esteemed head of the institutions and faculties and some of the employees and students. Now, what I want to say that I am very closely associated with this because we made a sort of team before starting this, conceiving these ideas, and which was headed by our Chancellor Madam, who herself is a IS officer and had been in the Department of Empowerment and Social Justice. And then we tried to expand on this and gradually we built on it. And we gradually actually thought of many things. Like suppose we say that this is advisory center, but in fact this we are going step by step. Before that, because there are certain steps to be followed to develop this center in full-fledged way. Because initially we had a sensitization program in the form of webinar during the lockdown period, and that time the interaction of the public was very good. More than I think 120, 130, 140 people joined that. So that it was sensitized what we are going to do. And the people all over the, at least in Northern India, they were with us and they interacted with us. Now as we know that disability, as you rightly said, that disability is not, actually when we talk of disability, we think that physical disability, normally that comes to the mind. It's not that. Even the child is disabled when cannot do certain functions, and when you grow in age, that time also, even the depression is a sort of disability. So we know the classification of the disabilities, and mainly it's 25 types. So what we intend to do here is that to start with, advisory means that we get the confidence of the people. Because it's a very sensitive thing, as rightly said, that initially we used to think that helping the people who are disabled is a sort of charity, which was actually was not working, and people do not appreciate, because somewhere in the core of the heart they always thought that this is somebody is feeling pity on them. So that's why the government has come with this idea that let them come up. That's why we don't want to call them as a differently abled. So this is the correct word which should be used, though the Vyanjan also being used, but I'm reading somewhere that some people have objected to that also. But differently abled is the right word. Means what capability of a person is there, what the person can do, and how we can do the upliftment of in whatever forms we can do. Now let me assure you that Swami Vivekananda Subharati University has a huge infrastructures, huge manpower, and huge sort of incentive, and people are willing to contribute because we have all the departments. We have got the medical departments, so they are with us, associated with the psychiatric department, psychologist, ENT, eye, all these other things. So the disability, the common disability which we see, we already have the list that what we can do for them. So we are going to get help. Besides that, we will raise the infrastructure as needed to develop a full-fledged center. So this is the one step in the right direction. I feel that way. And over a period of time, we will definitely, we are very confident that we will progress in this, because willingness, cooperation and many brains together definitely is going to create something which you will like it, and definitely is going to help to the people to whom it is raised. So in Subharati itself, we have a good number of people who are working with us. Subharati has already done sort of help them in the sense that employment, as we said that about employment in many forms, they have been given employment, then free health checkups, and there are certain scholarship schemes also coming up, and the whatever facilities in the form of transportation, transports and all those things. So those are the basic things which we are giving to start with, but over a period of time, then we will going through the actually what is the disability all about, what are the government orders, as you said that the Disability Act 2016, that gives so many things, but on the ground it doesn't happen that way, and after that also many other acts have come. So we are keeping those things in mind, because we will need some trained manpower and all those things to, in case we want to educate them, or higher education we want to give them, we will definitely, because university everything we have got. So those who are say then 12th, so they can always get into the UGs. And actually some students we have already helped them in a particular start with the distance education, so to encourage them, and whatever help is required we have given to them. So I feel that over a period of time this center will be quite popular, and because we have just taken off today, so a lot of publicity is required that we have this, and as the time go by we'll definitely add on so many things and definitely going to help the society at large. So with these words I would like to thank everybody who had been part of it, directly or indirectly. So thank you very much, and I assure you that we will take this center at high level. And I was talking earlier also that I think this is the only university we have created this facility. Otherwise university normally they do not, because that too in a private university, because their objectives and other things are different. Because our motto, you know, that is based upon the 4 pillars, which has already been told: Shiksha, Sanstha, Sanskar and nationalism. So this is actually we are following, and we are doing a bit whatever best we can do, and to the needy. So this is our dictum, and we are over a period of time we'll build on it, add on it, and definitely we will, for the satisfaction of everybody, we will definitely help them whatever the best way we can do it. So with these words I think I will close down here, and would like to thank every one of you. Thank you.
सुभारती